Question 27e. Reese is drinking low alcohol beer at a party over a 5-hour period. He reads on the label of the low alcohol beer bottle that it is equivalent to 0.8 of a standard drink. Reese weighs 90 kilograms. And the formula is provided here because in the older syllabus, or in the previous syllabus, the formula was given in a formula sheet. So I've provided it here in the question. What is the maximum number of complete bottles of the low alcohol beer he can drink to remain under a blood alcohol content BAC of 0.05? So what we need to do is solve this equation somehow, where N is the number of standard drinks, H is the number of hours drinking, and M is the mass of the person drinking. So this is the formula for the BAC for a male. So we want the BAC to be 0.05. Okay, so I might just do it here, 0.05, okay, is equal to 10N. So we need to work out how many standard drinks that's going to be equivalent to in order to maintain 0.05 minus 7.5H. H is the number of hours drinking, so that's multiplied by 5 over 6.8M. So that's 6.8 multiplied by Reese's mass. So what we can do now is just clean this up a little bit. Okay, so we might evaluate some of these values. So 0.05 is equal to 10N minus, now 7.5 multiplied by 5 is 37.5 over 6.8 multiplied by 90. And that's 612. Now we need to solve for N. So how many standard drinks is that? So let's make N the subject of the formula. So let's multiply 0.05 by 612. Okay, so 0.05 multiplied by 612 is equal to 10N minus 37.5. Now we can add 37.5 to the other side, so this minus 37.5 becomes a plus, multiplied by 612 plus 37.5 is equal to 10N. Okay, we might as well evaluate the left-hand side since before it gets too out of hand. So 0.05 multiplied by 612 plus 37.5. And we get 68.1 is equal to 10N. And that means that N is equal to, we divide that by 10, is equal to 6.81 standard drinks. Just ran out of space there. But we know that each bottle, so go back to the question, is 0.8 of a standard drink. So how many bottles is this? 6.81 standard drinks. Each bottle is 0.8. So the number of bottles this corresponds to is equal to the number of actual standard drinks, 6.81. Now each bottle is 0.8 standard drinks. Okay, so 6.81. Okay, divided by 0.8, and we get 8.5125. Okay. Okay. But the question asks for what is the maximum number of complete bottles, and that's the key word. If you don't see that word there, you don't take into account that word, you'll be probably might be unlucky and get the answer wrong, in fact. So that's really the same as saying 8 complete bottles. So 8 complete bottles would keep Reese slightly under 0.05. To be at exactly 0.05, he would have to drink 8.5125. Okay, so this answers the question.